Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to connect the Galaxy Watch 7 to your Android. Mine is a Samsung Galaxy Works Butters 2. Now it's pretty simple, so first you need the Galaxy Wearable app. This should be pre-installed on Samsung phones. For me it's right here. But if not, download from the Google Play Store. Now you're going to turn on your Galaxy Watch. Go and hold down right here. Just hold until you see the logo. Now you should have this pop up right here. But if not, you can also find in Bluetooth. Just make sure the number is the same, press confirm. Now I'll download some software. Now with your Samsung account you get more features, but it's not required. Just gonna skip this. You just need to check off the first couple. Press agree. Press allow. Link your Google account for more features. Press more, press agree. Press next. Now if you want to switch from a different watch, press allow. Press more, press allow. Once again, press allow. For your wearing preference, if you're right-handed, use your left wrist. Then if you want to create custom workouts, just press next. Once again, press next. Just giving you some more tips, press next. Suggested replies, this is for text messages if you want quick replies. Double pinch to control your watch is just more tips. Just more tips, keep pressing next. Now it's finishing up. Just give it a minute to boot up. Now if you want a tour of your watch, press start. Go and swipe down. Swipe up. Then for finding your apps, press next. Just swipe up. Once again, swipe down. For notifications, you're just going to swipe right. Tap to open notifications. Once again, swipe right to go back. Swipe left. Press next. Swipe left. Press the home key right here. And yeah, you're all set. Thanks for watching guys, hope this helped out.